Welcome to CAD Concepts. In this video, I will show you how you can divide plot parcel. Complex plot you want to divide equally in one time with complete equal detail, dimension and complete table all in one time. Any complex plot, effectively how we can divide. So, without wasting time, let's begin. So, this plot parcel we have, okay, we will divide simply. Let this here YQPrime Plugin, plot parcel division. You can type EXR also, okay. You will get one detailed dialog box, new table, plot division, how much you want, 20, starting number, let this 01, and plot prefix, you can keep your plot prefix, okay. Area in square meter and in square feet, dimension in feet, meter, yard or none, okay. Let this feet, scale, area we need tick, close P line tick, hatch tick and generate table. Okay, select your P line and trace your vertices. Okay, this is very important. So it will lead order and will lead proper division. Okay, trace like this. Okay, and enter. Just wait for a while. Now you see here, you are getting this complete plot divided in just one time. Total 20 segments, as you see here, all 100% same size. If you see here, you are getting plot name, plot order, dimensions and both area. And here is your table, plot serial number, area in square meter, square feet and total also. Same as it is, we will take this one also. You can type EXR. Now append to existing table. Already we have table, right? So we'll take starting plot 21, division 10 and now trace this one. You have to select your P line, it must be close P line and then trace like this and wait for a while, okay. So here we have given 10 plot division, right? Now we are getting 10 and just click over the existing table. You do not require to make again new table. It will add totally if you see here. So 10 plus 20 you are getting 30 cell, right? Now you see here we are getting 10 plot division and same as it is. Next we will take 7. This plot we will divide into 7 segments equally. Trace your P line for vertices, okay, and enter. Now you see here you are getting 7 segment plot and click existing table. Equally in just one time, same as it is. Let this plot division 5 for this and next plot starting number will count automatically, okay. So here we are getting 5 cell and each vertices it will give dimensions also, okay. And same here also, let this plot division 8, as much as you want, it depends on you. Select your P line, trace your vertices and hit enter. So you are getting in one time perfect plot division if you see here. So you can divide your part parcel like this equally if you have any complex, okay. So let this here 10 division and select your P line and trace like this and hit enter. Now you see here you are getting 10 equal plot in one time and click over the table, existing table. Now you see here. So total plot we are getting 60. Total area in square meter or square yard or square feet you can take 2, okay. So this powerful tool you can divide your parcel exactly in just one time with 100% equal division if you see here. So this most powerful tool, very helpful for surveying. So this simple but powerful tool will save you time. So what you are waiting for? Enroll YQPrime plugin today. You can find the link in the description and you can start saving your time significantly. You will get 100 plus tool at one place. Once you enroll YQPrime plugin, you will get plugin file, activation key, complete video training course, and plugin future updates. If you want me to cover more surveying tool, just comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.